Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only, the Elon Musk, the Tesla. We're going to be breaking down what's going on and why this thing is getting absolutely annihilated. As of today, it did sell off about near and around 3.5%. So we're going to be talking about what's going on. Should you buy, sell, hold, and giving you guys my honest opinion about Tesla stock. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it, and let's jump into this here. So looking at Tesla chart here, you guys can see that it's been very volatile. You guys can see the stock has gone up and down at pretty rapid rates, right? The stock has hit lows here near and around $100. It's gone up to about 300, and then pretty much from 300 it's been on a nonstop roar with this nice downward trend, as you guys can see. Now, some of the reasons why we're getting some sell-off here, over the past year is because of pretty much Tesla's earnings not performing well. They've had, the Cybertruck has had a rough start. And as of today, Tesla stock did sell off a little bit. And this is because Tesla shares fall after reported planned job cuts. So we always know that when a company is growing and growing, they're going to be hiring a bunch of people. But the second layoffs start coming, that is when investors get worried, because as of right now, Tesla is worried about profit concerns to pay these employees. As we look at some of the fundamentals here, you guys can see that we have seen a little dip down on the vehicle deliveries. Looking at here, you guys can see that we pretty much went from about 461,000 vehicle deliveries to about 369. As we scroll down here, the EPS is up, which is always a good indication for growth, but the gross margin is down about 25%. The net margin is up about 100%. As we scroll down here, obviously revenue is super important. You need revenue to grow and sustain a business. Without revenue, business won't survive. And they have done a relatively decent job of having somewhat decent growth on the revenue. You guys can see it's only up near and around 3%, which in the grand scheme of things, for a massive company, for a growth company like Tesla, you would expect a little bit more than 3%. As we look at some of the previous revenue earnings, you guys can see up 37%, 24%, 47%, and then you guys can see it kind of has slowly dipped down a little bit, going to 8%, then 3%. So as we scroll down here, cash flow is up a little bit as well. One of the things here that I do think is important with Tesla is if you're gonna buy it, you always hear buy low, sell high. So historically, actually right now, and is like investing all the way back in 2020 into Tesla's share price. Now, I do think Tesla is, it's the leader of the electric auto space. They're more than just a car company. They're a tech company. They're a software company. They're a data company. So I definitely think it's hard to just say, yeah, they only make money off of cars. I think that they're larger than that. But I also think that it's a very volatile business. Looking back this past year, we had missed earnings. We've had, car price cuts, which come straight from the profit margin. So it's going to be volatile, and it's going to go up and down at rapid rates. We know that. Now, if I was looking to buy Tesla, this is going to be the prices I would want to buy. I wouldn't want to pay a premium of $414 for Tesla. I would want to buy it as cheap as I can here. And I do think that is pretty important here. As we scroll down here, you guys can see that pretty much the average price target for Tesla is near around $185 a share from its current price of $166. That's a decent, that's a decent return, as well as the average analyst rating is giving it a hold. So not a buy, not a sell, but a hold, which is, we always want, more analysts stating to buy, because then that would give a little more, it would give more retail investors insurance, which they could possibly buy more, which will cause the share price to go up. But I definitely think, guys, so for me to answer that question of should you invest in a Tesla? Well, if you're looking to, trade Tesla, you guys know I'm a full-time swing trader. Check out my school, code half off, 50% off. But anyways, beside the point here, I would like to buy it here. We've seen a lot of tendencies of getting some buying pressure here. So if I was going to invest, I would say anything under in the 160s historically represents a good price to buy Tesla stock. So I also think it's very, very volatile with the price cuts, with layoffs. It's a volatile company. Dollar cost average it if you're gonna invest, as well as keep it under like 2 or 3% of your portfolio, just due to the volatility of Tesla. So guys, that is what's going on with Tesla. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check out my swing trading school, where you guys can learn how to trade. We'll see you guys in there. Take care.